Just spend money, throw money at it, you know. My roof rack broke in one place, rattling like crazy with that tent on top, right? Dong, 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 clank, clank, clank. I thought it was just a standard rattle for a while, my last trip, and then I looked and like, oh, that thing's completely cracked. It was hard to see. All right, I'm taking this tent off, it's rattling like crazy, and they're sending me a new bracket. They had to make it because they don't even make this rack anymore. Because of all that, tent's coming off. Take the tent off. It's cracked in 2 other places. One's completely cracked, the other one's, you know, starting to crack and probably cracked all the way through. So I'm gonna get those spots welded, and they're sending me this other bracket. So no tent is going on here until all this is fixed, of course. But I think I'm gonna sell my tent and just buy something lighter that I can just take on and off. Then I can fit in garages when I work. Welcome to suburbia. Let's mow the yard. Anyway, this is what started all this chaos. A lot of rattling because this support for the rack is completely broke. So, my tent's for sale. If you want to buy it, it's an amazing tent. The Odyssey's amazing. So here's why it's awesome. Okay, it's a hard shell. It's the lightest hard shell I could find at the time. It's the Odyssey version 1 hard shell tent. Comes with the roof supports so you can mount stuff to the top of the tent. So I'm including those, and I'm including what else did I buy for? Oh, the Air Mattress. Air Mattress, you might as well have it, right? So I'm including that. The thing new was like almost 3,000, and I got the crossbars that come with it and all the mounting stuff around the side of it. But it's for a hard shell. It's like the lightest hard shell you're gonna find, and it's an amazing tent. And I will sleep in the back of this like I used to do back in the day. Car camping, fantastic. Yeah, it's pretty cozy actually. Time to change. I still love rooftop tents. So I'm not one of those guys, oh, it was just stupid. No, I still like them, but you know, low profile, wind resistance. I mean, I've been driving this thing for about a month or whatever without all the wind resistance. Tent's probably for sale. And then I have an old Smitty built tent for sale. Love that tent. And they're cheap entry-level tent, I guess you want to call it that. So anyway, so going forward, you won't see a tent on this for a while. I got to get the rack fixed. My big trip in the summer, I'm gonna have to put something on top so my son and I have a place to sleep. So we'll have quarters up there and quarters in here, or you can sleep 2 up there. Stay tuned. Buy a tent. Pick up in the Kansas City metropolitan area, pretty please. Tent for sale, and here's a video link for how amazing this tent is. And I'm going through all my I don't have good pictures of the damn tent. 18 hours of video of it, but no good pictures. So please watch the video if you're interested. It's a cool tent though. I'm gonna be sad when I get rid of it. I don't know what to do from here. Other than that, right now we're gonna get better gas mileage, so that's fun. There's the positive. Stay positive, kids. And there's nothing better than sleeping and having a little altitude, a little view. It's awesome.